Y'all, welcome back to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making coconut shrimp. On a baking pan with aluminum foil, we're going to start placing our breadcrumbs on top and spreading them out evenly. Next, we're going to add some coconut flakes, mix those together. In a bowl, you're going to add your eggs. Next, we're going to add a little bit of heavy cream. Go ahead and add some flour. A pinch of salt. A pinch of black pepper. Whisk all those ingredients together. Once that is done, sit that to the side, get another bowl, and bake your breadcrumbs for about 5 minutes on 340. Then place that into another bowl. Now we're going to start our process. You're going to take some clean shrimp, dip it into your egg batter. Next, cover it up with some breadcrumbs and coconut flakes. For this process, we're just going to go ahead and continue this for all shrimp. Once you finish with all your shrimp, go ahead and set your oven for 350. Once it's done preheating, place it in the oven and bake for a good 10 to 12 minutes.